What happened on board the San Francisco-Mumbai flight? This was an Air India aircraft. Now, as part of the mandatory safety check, the craft was being checked by the authorities. It was suspected that there was a technical issue, a problem in the aircraft, and the passengers were deplaned on a scheduled halt. Now, a thorough check of the aircraft is being carried out at the Kolkata airport. This is part of heightened safety security measures which has now been implemented. Especially remember, amid what happened in Ahmedabad, there is absolutely no chance being taken with any of the issues that are cropping up, especially when there is time for an emergency landing. Alternative arrangements for the passengers on board are being made. So in Kolkata, the passengers had to deplane. Remember, this causes a lot of inconvenience clearly and uncertainty to the passengers as well. But for the safety of one and all, it's imperative that at this juncture, any of these issues are immediately taken in consideration. We are told that mandatory safety checks are being done. This is an image from the Kolkata airport. Amit Bhardwaj joins me. Amit has been in Ahmedabad reporting all the latest on that. Amit, so in the backdrop of what unfolded in the city of Gujarat, in the city in Gujarat, we are now hearing of multiple incidents. What happened this time?
Pooja, I've spoken to the sources about this particular flight being stopped in Kolkata itself instead of reaching its destination in Mumbai. So what we have been given to understand is that this San Francisco-Mumbai flight was supposed to land in Mumbai via Kolkata, which meant that upon arrival in Kolkata, mandatory checks were done on the craft as part of the SOP. And during this mandatory check, the technical teams realized that there was some sort of technical snag in the craft which had to be checked thoroughly. And because of that particular factor, the passengers were deplaned, and eventually now alternative arrangements are being made. Now that particular, two timelines, if we decode them, itself indicates at possible technical snag in the craft, because otherwise if there would have been a minor snag which would have not affected the flying of the craft. In normal circumstances, these passengers would have reached Mumbai. But what we are given to understand is that alternative arrangements are being made for the passengers who are on board of that Air India San Francisco Mumbai flight, and the technical team is dealing with whatever snag is there. But the sources do maintain, Pooja, that this is because of the heightened safety measures which have been now implemented because of AI 171 crash.
That's good, because there will of course be investigation further on what happened. Is the aircraft all right now? But everything should be taken in consideration when we are talking about lives of human beings here. Nevertheless, there's been a halt and passengers have been deplaned. We'll keep tracking all the latest on this. Thank you very much, Amit.